What is going on, guys? Welcome to Just Another Car Channel. I'm Isaiah, and in this episode, Peña's carrying a big ass wing.
Yeah.
Well, I got the wing maybe 2 days ago, and I just put it together. And I'm just gonna test it on the car to see how it looks, but I'm not gonna put it on yet, just because I don't have the plates yet, and I don't want cops to be stopping for like every 5 minutes or whatever. But my eyelids came in, and now I'm explaining why I'm gonna change the ones I have right now. And new bumper quick releases that I bought. The other ones, the rubber got it ripped off, or something took it out. Someone took it off or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, one of the rubbers was gone, so I bought another set. And this time I bought in black, just so it could match better with the look of the car. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so the reason I bought another set of eyelids was because when I made this, I really didn't think about, I didn't take in consideration the lights. So when I'm driving in the freeway or whatever, this one, the one I made, is so thick that it kind of covers part of the light. So when I'm driving on the freeway or at night, my headlights really don't only light up the bottom, and yeah, it's not working out. And so right now that I'm looking at it, they're actually way smaller than the other ones. I don't know if you can tell the difference. So I'm down here mostly, see, so I actually didn't even think about that when I was making this, so that's why I bought them, so just so I could see if the size were different or whatever. And this time, instead of leaving in black, I'm gonna paint them white. A couple guys in the comments said that white might look better, so I'm gonna give it a shot. And I'm just gonna do whatever I have at home. So I have just white primer and glossifier, so I'm gonna try that first, and like always, see if I like it, then I'll do a better job next time. But for now, yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then we'll see how it come out. Alright guys, so right now we're just gonna take the eyelids that I made myself off, and so that's pretty much what I did, just aluminum eyelids. They look nice. I like how they look, but yeah, they weren't working out for me. And yeah, we're just gonna take this off, and then we'll get back to you guys. Alright, so we got the tape off one headlight, and
Working on the other?
we're working on the other one right now. Oh, and this is what I was talking about. You see the black rubber right there? Well, I don't know if this one ripped off or someone took it off, but right now I just have a fucking regular rubber on there, and I'm gonna change those right now. So in the meantime he does that, I think I'm gonna start with this. So I already cleaned them and everything, and yeah, we'll see how they look white. And I already know the white's not gonna match, just because the white in my car is the white pearl, whatever. But I just want to get an idea, see how they look. So yeah, in the meantime this dries, I think I'm gonna start working on this also. Alright, so this job is pretty straightforward. You have a Allen key bolt up here. You have a nut in the back. All you gotta do is hold it, and that's it. And since I don't have fender lining, this job is gonna be even more easy. So, yep, here. All we got to do, take the rubber band off, hold the back, oh, there you go. And yes, I fucked up.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Come on. I'm having performance issues. It's not the first time.
Having trouble in paradise, I see.
And that is that. And I think I'm gonna use the same bolts, just because I'm lazy. I don't want to get the other ones out. So this is how the new ones look. I got the black ones, and this is the one how the other ones looked. I think this one's gonna match better with the whole look of the car, so that's why I'm doing it. And that is it. Then you can just put the rubber band if you want it regularly, but since I made the holes too close to each other and just the regular doesn't do enough, that's why I do this, so it can like pull harder. That's the only reason. And I think it looks cool, so fuck it. So there you go. That's all there is to it. And if you're doing this for the first time, pretty much just put the things where you want them, then put the rubber band in between, and then see how much they stretch, and then just make the holes. Pretty straightforward. So we're just gonna go swap the other side, and we should be done with that. All right, guys, same idea right here. Take the rubber band off. I guess it ripped because of the sun, because it's been really hot here in Cali the last couple days, and I've been leaving it outside. So if you notice, there's like a little rip right there. So yeah, maybe the other one ripped. I was kind of pissed in the beginning because I thought someone took it, but now that I see this, then yeah, I think someone took it. Anyways, just gonna take this off and put the new ones. Like this one in the top, that one comes out easier than the one on the bumper. But whatever, as long as it does the job, I'm cool. And then you just tighten them on. Pretty much, it's really a simple job, and for me it works because it does what I need it to do, and I'm starting to like them. Before I didn't like them at all, but they're starting to grow on me. And yeah, pretty much done. Boom. That is it. And now we're gonna go check on the eyelids, see if they dried enough to put them on. All right, so they're dried already, and I pretty much just use primer, and I'm gonna hit it with the glossifier from Plastidip. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but either way, I'm gonna see if it gives it a shine or something. But so far, I don't think it's doing anything. Alright guys, sorry it got a little dark on us. We'll be able to see. But yeah, we just painted them. And we put the double-sided tape already. And this one's come like a little curved at the end. I don't know if you could tell. So we're gonna need to pop the hood. And they're gonna fit in there. And yeah, we'll see how they look. Alright, so we got the tape all cleared up. And hopefully they don't come up stupid. Oh shit. Just make sure to align it on the top with the hood, and then the rest should fall into place. The other one. And there it is, the white eyelids. I'll probably take a better video tomorrow during the day. So like I said yesterday, I was gonna give you guys a better look at the white eyelids. This is what they're looking like right now. In camera you can't see that well, but in person you can see the difference between the whites. And I still don't know how I feel about them. But yeah, that's what they look like right now. And the things are holding up fine. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like, comment, subscribe.